Yeah. Hi, Smart. Come here. It's the second day of my this particular blog, and
What's special today?
of course, I have joined a company, and this was my first day in that company, and I'm super excited to show you all those things that I have received from my firm, and I'll be showing you in a short while. Uh, so let me just start with that without any like discussion on that. So this is the very first thing and that I have received from my firm. I even cannot show my details of this particular card. This is the identity card and my identity in this particular firm. So this is the identity card, most expensive thing for me for this. And let me just put this here, and I'll show you the most lucrative thing is my laptop. Okay, it's a brand new laptop, and it's it's an HP laptop that I have provided with. It's a 15.6-inch laptop. I'm showing you what is there actually. I'm showing you the interesting part. That is the dashing look laptop. I think you can see it. I think you can see it over there. Let me just put it here. I cannot share more things about it because actually, as per the guidelines and policy, I cannot show you everything. But I can just show you my name over there, and that is the most interesting thing over in this particular section. Okay, so I cannot share much details about this laptop. Let me just proceed towards very interesting and very fascinating part, which is the welcome kit. The welcome kit. So what I'm getting this welcome kit actually, that's interesting thing. Okay, I am showing you a welcome.
We are going for unboxing video now.
Yeah, of course, why not? It's an unboxing video, but I'm not. I'm not going to use this particular word unboxing. It's not the unboxing thing. It's the something which I was expecting, but that to certain height that I'll be getting, that was not expected. So it is not like an unboxing video. I'm going to show you the things that is there. Okay, that is it. Okay, this is not a proper unboxing video for that. I'm even not like going with anything related to that. So here just the parts. I'm actually opening that flowers. You can see it is there. So I have now. Let me just put all these things up. This is down, and here you go. This is PwC, and their hashtag with experience infinite. We are having lots of experience over there. Okay, so let me just unbox it. 1, 2, 3. That is it. This is the thing that you are actually getting here. Okay, now let me just take us one thing. Just give me a moment. I'm showing one things. So yes, let me just start with the things that I have received from PwC. Just a gesture from me. So I am showing each and every part, whatever I have received. First, let me just start with this sapling. This is the sapling, plant sapling that I have received, and you can see the tomato written over there. That's the most interesting thing part, because this is what I have to plant in somewhere else. So I will be
You will
doing
grow
it.
this tomato plant.
Of course, because you know the prices of tomatoes being raised just by a certain height, and that is why they are even provided the tomato plant. That's
खुद
it's, a,
उगाओ
it's, a,
खुद खाओ
it's my
policy.
it's my favorite vegetable also. Let me just start with the second most interesting part. This is the wireless mouse that of actually it is a Dell wireless mouse, and I will not mention the prices. You can even search on the internet. So this is a very interesting and like thing for me because I'm using my that official laptop that they provided HP one, so I'll be using this particular like mouse for that. And let me just go to the second most interesting thing that I have received is the power bank. It's an 10,000 mAh power bank which can charge my mobile by 2 times. Okay, so if I go on site with the clients, then I will be using this power bank, and that is actually being said by the team. So this is what actually I'm getting as a part, and of course this is important
We
for
have
me.
counted 3 of them.
Yeah, this is the final one. Actually, this is a very interesting thing. It's a JBL like wireless Bluetooth AirPods that I'm getting, and let me just take the price for that because actually I'm super excited to like share this particular price. It's of 6,000 rupees, and that they're providing me. And this is something which actually I need that particular thing. I was expecting that I'm getting it. Okay, so let me just go with the most interesting section. This is then pen collection, and that is being provided by PwC. I think you can see the logo over there, and this is totally dashing. Yeah, I really love the pen. I love the way this particular pen works because I have a lot of collection for the pens, and I am loving it, really loving it. Yeah, let me just go to the next part, which is a very interesting PwC logo, PwC mark diary. But this is not a regular diary. It's an electronic diary. How? let me just show you. You are getting an electronic pad here, okay? So you can write anything. Like I am writing PwC. Can you see it? This is the electronic pad. I can actually regulate it from here, so it is gone. Okay, that's the interesting thing that I will be using when I will be talking with the client, maybe national and international clients outside India. So this is what the personal thing that I'll be getting. This is the thing. These are the perks that are actually being provided to all the persons who are joining from the campus in PwC. Now, next interesting part is that I am getting a PwC's logoed water bottle, and it's a thermos bottle. You can talk about it. You see, it is a totally coated thermos bottle. So it's a PwC and it is of Borosel company. Okay, and this is something I am actually loving it. Now let me just proceed with the final part, which is a pouch. It's a traveling pouch, and I can even use this particular pouch whenever I will be going for like on-site projects. I can use this particular section for my name cards and everything that will be provided by the PwC shortly. And this was all about the items that I have actually received from my firm, and I am privileged to be a part of this wonderful firm called PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. And this was the conclusion for this particular video. Still, if there is anything that I am receiving from PwC, any perks, then I will be I will love to share those things, those experiences that I am getting over here. This is all what is ever there. Signing off, associate of PwC, Sagar Singh. Hey guys, actually we are in the skyscraper, the census. Yeah, there is the proof. You can see it's actually 12th floor. Okay, so we were there. It was in the bar, and also we are having the rooftop swimming pool. So we were there a few minutes back. So it was really nice. If I just talk about, and now we're going to ground floor, and ultimately we'll be heading towards some nearest locations where we can actually enjoy this journey.